Hello, mindful declutterers. After 16 years of supporting people in decluttering and organizing, this particular question has been posed to me a number of times just in the last 6 months or so. So I figured it must be time to answer it. The question is, what do you wish everyone knew about the work that you do and in my case, of course, that's supporting people with clutter and disorganization. Well, here's a few things that I wish everyone knew about mindfully decluttering and organizing. It can be learned, it can be taught. Do some people have an advantage? Absolutely. Some people have an innate skill at this, are able to do it on their own, don't need any support. Other people may have been taught to declutter and organize, but many of you don't fall into those two categories. There's also different kinds of clutter. There is what we call situational clutter, which is something that happens because of an event in your life, a triggering event in your life, or maybe multiple triggering events. Maybe you're getting ready to move and then you have an injury. In my case, we had situational clutter when my mother-in-law, who had dementia, fell and broke her hip, and suddenly my attention went to her rather than to the house. So that's situational clutter. There's also chronic disorganization and clutter, or persistent disorganization and clutter. And that's a whole different ball game. And I can help people with both, but I really love helping people who have struggled with this for quite some time. And so, though I say that it can be learned, that doesn't mean it's easy. Why is it so hard? Why is it so hard to just organize the stuff? It's just stuff, right? Why is it so hard? I've addressed this in some other videos, but it's hard because it's not about the stuff. It's about you and your attachments to the stuff and that overwhelm that can creep in when you go to deal with it, particularly if it's been there for a long time and energetically it's like dead energy. It doesn't feel good to get into it. So, downloading more free PDF guides is not going to do the job, folks. Mindful decluttering is an inside job. It takes commitment and being honest with yourself about where you are, where you want to be, and the steps that it's going to take to get you there. So, if you're feeling overwhelmed with clutter or disorganization, I'm going to put a link in the comments for my Confusion to Clarity call. It's completely complimentary, no pressure at all. Just here to help you identify 1 to 2 next action steps to move you forward in your specific situation that all the free resources in the world cannot address. So again, I'll put the link in the comments. This is Pam Holland of Mindful Decluttering and Organizing, and I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day.